Hello there, YouTube. Today is Tuesday, September 9th. I actually took a ride. I think I rode the Spider. I went all the way down to Ennis to an HEB and got some Elgin sausage. But I had the media mod on here, and it all it did was record wind noise. Apparently the mic thing doesn't work great. I cleaned it out with alcohol and tested it, and it was working, but I don't trust it. So I'm back to the old brick. I didn't bring the. I guess I'm using the old GoPro or the Hero 30. What do I got? 11. And so this remote works a little bit better than that old. Than the. What is that? The other. Can't think of it now. I went blank. The other, it's not a GoPro, but it's the other one, that little bitty remote. You just can't see it. This one I can see with the lights, so it works good. So it's Tuesday. I'm off a ride. Kiddos are in Mother's Day out on Tuesday, so my wife will pick them up about 2 o'clock. I'll be home about 2:30, so I'll be home before that. I rode the Spider all the way about 75 miles but that way and 75 miles back. It was a nice ride, but my butt got sore. And I have the gel. I trade off the gel seat on each one of them, and it helps a lot. It helps more on the Goldwing, I think. I don't know what it is about the Spider seat and what still gets sore on it. So what a great day. I'm wearing a jacket. I got up this morning at 7:30 and it was 58 degrees. Normally I get up at 6:30 and it's already 77 degrees. So it's nice that it cooled off. I got my mesh jacket on. And probably don't need it, but I'd rather have not get chilly. I think it's 75 degrees, so it's not. Probably don't need it. It's still nice. Like wear the gloves because the sun. I get old. The sun gives me age spots on the back of my hands. So. I don't know where I'm going. I'll ride for a couple hours. What a great day, though. Bye. Well, hello again, YouTube. Now I remember what camera I had. It was the Insta360, and I cheaped out on a remote. I should have spent the extra money and got a good remote, but I cheaped out on this little bitty one. You can't even see if it's on. I like the Insta360, but that remote sucks. So maybe I'll end up spending a little money and getting a real 360 remote, because I do like that camera. I like this remote because you can really tell that it's on. It's flashing, camera's flashing green because it's recording. And this is not a GoPro remote, it's a third market, and I really like it. It works really good. God, what a nice day. I like my Goldwing so much. It's just, I got a lot of miles on it. I see what I got. I got to rip my shield up. 98,402. And it still purrs like a kitten because I change the oil every 4,000 miles, 3 or 4,000 miles. And then I grease the U-joints every time I change the oil. Give it a couple shots of grease. The only bad thing about these old Goldwings is the front shocks. I remember driving it home when I bought it brand new, and I couldn't figure out what all the oil was in front of underneath the cowl. And I figured out later the shocks leaked. Day one, brand spanking new. and they've leaked ever since. Even though I put new seals in them, they just leak, keep leaking. But I'm not going to buy another new Goldwing. If I get anything, it's going to be that Bravaco, the touring version. Those things are so cool.